This simple composition notebook white ruled is making over $200 per day, and if it continues to sell at this pace, it will be making $6,000 per month. And you can see here, this doesn't has the look inside feature. The back cover is also not active at the moment. It is recently published July 10th 2022, and it is selling really well. It is priced at $5.99, and let me show you the BSR. You can see here, independently published July 10, 2022, 100 pages, 7.5 into 9.25, and the BSR is 1026. It is ranking number 1 in both categories. If we check the profitability, you will be amazed. This is the book that answers your question that are low content books or simple no content books are selling on KDP or not in 2022, and if the low content books are still working even though the KDP has disabled the look inside feature and also the free ISBN. So after disabling the free ISBN, look inside feature is not available for such books that have repetitive pages. So this is the perfect example to show you that it still works. These low content books are very simple no content books are still selling on KDP, and you can make sales as well if you manage to create a really great looking cover for them. So let's check the profitability of this exact composition notebook white ruled inside the book sales calculator. So I have already pulled up this. The BSR is 1026 and in the book category, and it is selling 144 copies per day or 2159 copies per month with this BSR if it continues to sell at this pace. So let me check earning per copy. This is the KDP calculator for royalty estimation. You can check, go to this link, printing cost and royalty calculator. This is the paperback, black and white interior with white paper, 100 pages, Amazon.com. The price at $5.99. And if we hit calculate, you can see here the estimated royalty per sale is $1.44. And if we multiply this $1.44 with this one, this is the 144 copies per day. So we get 1.44 into 144, $207.36. So it is currently making over $200 per day. And if we multiply this with monthly earnings, so it will be making $6,220 per month. The fact is the BSR changes very rapidly, almost every hour. Still, it proves that the low content or no content books are selling really well, even though the KDP has disabled the free ISBN for these type of books, and due to that the look inside feature is not available. And in some books, for the first few weeks, the back cover is also not available. Still, it is making huge sales, and you can see the author has published more books as well. They don't have the A+ content as well. So the book is selling due to this beautiful cover. And you can also make similar looking, not exactly the same, but unique covers to generate sales. Very basic shape is there. Composition notebook, 100 pages, white ruled, 7.5 into 9.25. The secret of these sales is within this cover. And I found this book using the Book Bolt Cloud tool. You can see here, I am here in the Book Bolt, and this is the Cloud tool. I have selected the category notebook. Filters are as default. And then I hit search. And then I came across this book here. You can see here BSR is showing right here. Average BSR is 30,000. At the moment the BSR is just over 1,000. This book answers your question that do journals or composition notebooks still work in 2022, or do KDP low content books or no content books sell well or not. So you can create similar looking covers. This is the smileys, faces, aesthetic preppy notebook. If we go to jVAQ&list, we can find similar covers. Let me pause this video and show you that. I am here inside jVAQ&list.com. This is the site that has both the free and paid versions. I am using the pro version. You can also click here on the free license and you will be presented with the free graphics. You can see here I have searched smiley face pattern, and these are very beautiful looking patterns here, and you can use these patterns on your composition notebook covers and create very similar looking books. Not exactly the same, but very similar. Just change the title and subtitle and change the cover. So this is all about creating beautiful covers and then setting the right kind of title and subtitle and the description. If we go down and read the description of this book, we may find certain elements that are helping this book rank or sell. Positive vibes only. This is the headline, and you can create this similar headline to attract buyers. This adorable happy face aesthetic wide rule composition notebook is must have for anyone who loves all things fun and positive. So this is creating a type of positivity mindset and attracting such people that are attracted to our positivity. This is a very well written description, and you can model this description as well. I am not asking you to copy exactly the same book. Change the keywords, change the cover, and change the description, but you can have an idea of what is selling and what is not selling. So let's see the more smiley face patterns here. There are a lot of patterns. You can see this one, and here are the patterns. This is again a very beautiful pattern here, and a lot of free and paid patterns are available here. If you're interested in jVAQ, then the link is in the description below. You can try some other aesthetic patterns as well. This is the cupcakes and the smiley face. This is another very beautiful looking pattern. So I have made videos on creating the covers for composition notebooks, and you can check this video on my channel. I will leave the link in the description as well. So check out jVAQ, find some very good looking patterns and start creating covers. If you're interested in book vault, you can try for a month and you can cancel at any time. Link will be in the description. Note, these links are affiliate links. I will earn a small commission if you want to purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. So that is all from me today. The purpose of this video is to show you that the low content books are still selling after the KDP update, where the look inside feature is not available. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Also watch my next video that is all about finding the KDP keywords with great ease.